Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin in 99 seconds. Wabit crypto wallet will be accessible within WhatsApp. Bitcoin will be supported at launch with altcoins set to follow. The wallet uses a simple and intuitive chat interface for transactions. This wallet has the potential to boost adoption as WhatsApp has over 1 billion users. Major Bitcoin investor Tim Draper met with Argentinian President Mauricio Macri to discuss monetary matters. Draper bet Macri that Bitcoin will increase in value relative to the Argentinian peso. If Draper loses, he pledged to double the amount his fund is investing into Argentina. Bitmain's attempt at a listing on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange has expired unsuccessfully. Their bid was not approved within the 6-month window, despite the company disclosing its somewhat precarious financial situation. Bitmain also announced this week its forthcoming 7-nanometer mining chip and the addition of a new CEO to its ranks. Zebpay, formerly India's biggest exchange, will now facilitate Lightning Network payments for all its clients. Using the Zebpay wallet, clients can send up to 10 Lightning transactions a day up to a current maximum value of 0.002 BTC, with all fees covered by Zebpay. And finally, Bithumb suffered a major hack last week. The major Korean exchange had roughly $12.5 million in EOS and $6,000 in XRP stolen from its hot wallets. Bithumb suspended deposits and withdrawals as it investigates the matter alongside local authorities. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.